Good morning! Good morning! We are now here by the Sumida River at nasa likod ko ang Tokyo Skytree. And this is day 2 of our Tokyo break. And samahan niyo ako today for all of my adventures. We just had our breakfast and right now, pumunta lang tayo dito sa may Sumida River. And ang next nating pupuntahan, ang tradition every time I am here in Tokyo is to go to Meiji Jingu to pray for a blessing. So, punta muna tayo. We'll take the train and head on to the Harajuku area. If you happen to be here sa Tokyo in the summer, like July or August, one technique that really works is that you do all of your pasyal, yung mga temples and ganyan, in the morning. And then pag medyo uminit-init na, that's when you go indoors sa mga malls or sa mga areas na air-conditioned. And then, again, it's safe to like do the walks again, mga 4 or 5 in the afternoon.
G18. This train is bound for.
And now we are here at the Meiji Shrine grounds. Lakarin lang natin and get to the shrine itself. Let's go.
Yeah, I can stop. Maybe we'll put this out. There are not so many people.
ito ay isang tradition that I always do whenever I am in Tokyo. And it's so nice to always be back here, whether it's to give thanks, to ask for a blessing. And it's just a beautiful, calm place in the middle of a super city. So if ever you are here in Tokyo, I would really recommend you visit nito because it's a beautiful, serene place. Now, after our visit, i-explore naman natin ang Harajuku at ang Omotesando area.
Maybe you're wrong.
As you can see, hitik na hitik ang Takeshita Street. Hindi maganda mayo yung mga tao. Some of them are just walking around. Some of them, hindi ko maintindihan paano sila nakakapili at nakakabili dito. Pero, mukha namang masaya. Palagi namang masaya dito. And from Omotesando, you can actually walk Cat Street. At ang labas mo is Shibuya na. And now we are on the queue for my favorite Sukaman here in Shibuya. Pupunta ka muna dun sa machine, bibili ka muna ng food mo, and then you line up. So medyo, pag sinwerte ka, konti ang pila. Maliit lang siya sa loob. I think it only sits about 10 or 12. But right now, it's about mga 1-ish. So hopefully, mabilis lang siya. But it's guaranteed that it's going to be good. Humaba na naman ang pila, kaya umupo muna ako. Pero guys, I'm telling you, this is worth it. Super worth it. And if you go on top of Shibuya Parko, this is what you will see. Medyo umuulan sa labas, so kailangan muna tayong magpainit. Nandito tayo sa Muji Cafe to have cup of coffee. Hindi pa tayo nag-coffee all day. Yun lang.